depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Okay, isa ito sa mga one of the fantasies, dreams, one of the main requests of your soul to happen. Isang gusto mo makita mo yung ex mo na masiraan ng bait at umiyak dahil lang nawala ka sa buhay niya. Admit it. Don't lie to me. That's what you want, right? Yan yung gusto mo mangyari, di ba? I know that. Alam ko yan. Lahat ng mga clients ko, ganyan. Minsan nga yung pakiramdam na ganyan, kahit hindi na kayo magbalikan, basta lang maranasan nyo yung ganyan eh. Ganyan kayo ka-insecure to the point na gusto nyo talaga silang masiraan ng bait at umiyak para lang magbalik sa inyo. Do not lie to me. Never lie to me. Your ex had done a very bad thing in your life that causes you to wish something miserable to happen sa kanya because you were just feeling this kind of pain or agony in your life. And now, here is the answer. Naririto na ang fantasy mo, naririto na sa harap mo. I'm just going to tell you how to do it. And I just want you to listen carefully. First of all, gusto ko maging open-minded ka. Hindi to networking, pero gusto ko maging open-minded ka. Dahil ang ituturo ko ngayon is really unorthodox. Ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi ito yung orthodox way or hindi ito yung pinaka-traditional way. No one has ever advised you to do this one. And I'm gonna tell you this, okay? Hindi ito ganun kadali. Bakit hindi siya madali? Gusto mo umiyak at masiraan ng bait ex mo, tingin mo ganun kadaling gawin to? Hindi ito madaling gawin. Uunahan na kita. Ipapakita ko lang sa iyo yung way. Ito yung daan. Kapag na-achieve mo to, ganito ang magiging result. Ganito ang magiging reward. Once na ginawa mo to, ito ang magiging reward niya. Pero kung hindi mo siya nagawa, wala kang reward. Wag niyong gawing magic ang lahat na parang feeling nyo, mamagicin ko lang tapos iiyak na yung ex nyo, masisiraan na ng ulo. Wag na tayo maglokohan dito. Hindi na tayo bata para maglokohan pa na kung ano yung wish nyo, yun yung mangyayari. Hindi naman prayer to eh. Hindi ko kailangan manalangin tapos ganito yung mangyayari. No! You need to do this, you need to do this. And if you do this, then you do this, then there will be a reward. Okay? And I want you to focus on that reward. Na kapag ang reward na to, finokusan mo, I will tell you the truth. You will be rewarded by this. Now, it's so simple. Success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Is that all? No, of course. Here's the word na kailangan mo marinig. The arrogance of success. You need to become successful and you need to become arrogant at the same time. Syempre, alam ko naman na marami kang question na magtatakbo sa utak mo. How can I be successfully arrogant? In the very first place, kahit maging successful ako right now, I'm not that person who is really arrogant. But that is what I want you to do. I want you to have the sense of pride. I want you to embrace that success. And I want you to boast that. Iyabang mo siya. I-front mo siya. I-post mo siya. And then, kill your ex using your success. Kung pwede mo siyang saktan doon sa post mo or anything like that that has something to do with social media, it is a different thing. I know that you will be having this kind of thought na parang, what? I'm gonna post it on social media? I know, this is a very long topic to talk about. But I just want you to have this arrogance of success to the point na kapag naging successful ka, I want you to become arrogant enough na napakayabang mo na napunta ka dyan sa top. Gusto kong bulihin mo siya once na naging successful ka na. Doon sa mga achievements mo, I want you to flex them. Kung pwede mong i-flex yun sa FB niya, kung pwede mong i-flex yun sa social media, sa lahat ng kaibigan niya, sa pamilya niya. In her face, in his face, I want you to flex this success that you may have. Yan yung way para mapaiyak mo sa inis yung ex mo at masiraan ng bait dahil wala kayo. However, you will think na effective ba yan? Ako magsasabi sa'yo, effective to. Ano yung scientific study natin dyan kung bakit effective siya? Walang science dito. Meron ako testimonies. I've been here in this industry a lot for a very, very long time. Pwede natin sabihin 10 years na ako dito or something. Alam ko na ito yung pinaka nang iirita sa mga ex, nang iinis. Kapag yung ex nila nagiging successful tapos punong-puno ng kayabangan. Alam ko sasabihin nyo, yabang naman di ba? Hindi, ganun talaga yung way Sinaktan ka dito yung ganti mo. Yabangan mo yung ex mo sa lahat ng achievement mo. Sige, I will allow you na magyabang kahit dito lang. Huwag kang magyabang sa pamilya o sa mga kaibigan mo o sa mga kaaway mo. Sige, wag na. Pero sa ex mo, yabangan mo. Ipakita mo lahat ng achievements mo. I-display mo sa mukha niya. Itapal mo sa mukha niya na, and then tell him, kung pwede nga sabihin mo, or i-text mo, or i-chat mo or i-post mo sa social media, buti na lang hindi kita naging asawa, buti na lang hindi kita naging girlfriend. Kasi kung naging girlfriend, naging boyfriend kita, hindi ko maaabot lahat ng to. Kumpara sa mga achievements na meron ako, tsaka kumpara kung sino ka, malayo. Mas maganda yung mga achievements ko compare sa'yo. And then mafe-feel ng ex mo yung deep regret at yung deep embarrassment na never niyang naranasan sa buhay niya. She will be embarrassed to the hell, you know? Dun sa deep embarrassment na mararanasan niya. But of course, it is something like a dream because there's something that you need to achieve. Kasi kapag hindi mo na-achieve ang success, and then walang kwenta tong topic na to. That's my point. Now, I just want you to have this arrogance of success kasi ang ibig ko lang naman sabihin, hindi madaling magpaiyak ng tao. Hindi madaling siraan ng bait ang isang tao at gawin siyang psychologically insecure. Mahirap gawin yun. Kaya inunahan na kita kanina, it's not an easy task. But if you can do this, then you can do this perfectly in 100%. I assure you that. Based on what? Based on my experience with my clients. Sa mga naging kliyente ko, kahit ano pang sabihin mo na parang psychologically, theoretically incorrect ako, no. I will shut you down. You never had any kind of clients, right? Never ka pa nagka-kliyente. Kaya hindi mo alam kung paano i-handle ang tunay na clients, kung paano sila nagsasucess, nasaksihan ko lahat yon, kung paano nila nagagantihan ng ex nila, nasaksihan ko lahat yon. Ganito ang ginawa nila. This is the testimony, or these are the testimonies na masasabi kong effective to. So based on science ba ako? Wala naman kasing ganitong study Sino ba mag-aaral? Pero kung may mag-i-study ng ganito, mapuprove sa science na, oo, totoo itong theory na to. Pero, ang basihan ko is testimonies. Testimonies. At napaka-powerful na basihan ng testimonies kapag effective siya. Di ba? So, that's how it works. If you need one-on-one advice para mas mapalawak pa yung knowledge mo about dito, then just give us a message for one-on-one coaching. Thanks for watching.